and Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Dodge County in southeast Wisconsin, Jefferson County in southeast Wisconsin, western Racine County in southeast Wisconsin, Rock County in south central Wisconsin, Walworth County in southeast Wisconsin, Washington County in southeast Wisconsin, Waukesha County in southeast Wisconsin, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:15 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Beaver Dam to 7 miles southwest of Juneau to Johnson Creek to 5 miles northeast of Durand, and moving east at 45 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Fort Atkinson, Milton, downtown Janesville, Juneau, Beloit, Whitewater, Porticon, Mayville, Okauchee Lake, Hartford, Delafield, Wales, Heartland, Slinger, Delavon Lake, Pewaukee, Elkhorn, downtown Waukesha, Sussex, and East Roy. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with these storms.